les pronoms personnels directs. Okay, so there are two types of pronoun personnel. One is direct, one is indirect. We're going to do direct. Okay, so can you read this?
Yeah, les pronoms personnels directs, COD remplace les objets vivants et non vivants qui apparaissent directement après le verbe sans préposition.
Yeah. So le pronom personnel direct, COD, this is how we call them in short, COD. Complément d'objet direct remplace les objets vivants et non vivants, living and non-living, qui apparaissent, which appears directly après le verbe sans préposition. So they come directly after the verb. Okay, par exemple, il parle, no, not il écoute, le professeur écoute les élèves. So les élèves is coming directly after the verb. Here the main thing to remember is that it is without a preposition. No preposition. It's direct. There wouldn't be any a toi,
Yeah.
no, the, no no she.
And the other one's gonna be something,
Yeah.
right?
Okay, so no preposition.
Okay, direct after the word.
Direct after the verb. This is the main thing we need to remember here. It's direct. So directly after the verb, no preposition. So what are these? These are according to the the je with, for example, je me. Tu is with the il elle, le la, nous, vous, il elle pluriel les.